Me always a get fish and bow today, you know. But on everything, me I go tell you. You see some things, Bubbles, the truth is that you have to work it out on yourself. Always remember that everything have an expiry date.
I'm just worried say something really important about him and him not say nothing to me.
In behavior, is a trouble at work?
Not really, but me dey around him all the time, or most of the time. I'ma see when certain things happen, him body language change, him facial expressions change. So I know say something about him, I know say something wrong.
Same thing wrong. And you know it. But as me tell you, no Bubbles, certain things will not have to work out on your own. Now you see this that he's facing, you have to go know how to approach him and what he say. Just remember when me tell you, everything have an expiry date. Yeah?
I don't like hear that, Shepherd. But if I that you say.
I know when me say Bubbles, if you look on the mackerel thing, them get expiry date. Young and it afterwards it buys you. Bubbles. Everything that it combo it trial and crosses and all them sin thing they won't have to face. Whisper face female. You not go face phone. Don't tell me daughter. She have fear when she go face. But always remember that you see wherever there's an ending, there's always a new beginning. Sometimes you not begin with the same set of people, but it's a new beginning nonetheless. So you have to go embrace it. Alright? Them say food for thought. I'm gonna put on this in the car, bring the grip come.
Shepherd, you know, I'm carrying on my head, you know. You can hold it in your hand.
Bubbles not tell me if you do. That's how we carry load when we up.
Hold.
Look here, open that plastic gate before we kick you off here.
That's why he pull on now. You want me to open the door for you? Come, Shepherd, the door open.
Alright. I don't want you to tell nobody, but Mildred says she's taking me to Florida. Alright?
Florida, Shepherd.
How will me say a while ago?
Florida.
Right, Florida.
Have a safe trip, Shepherd.
Yes, sir. Okay, my darling. Just take care and just do as you say.
Yes, Shepherd.
We recall this one.
You alright, Shepherd?
Sure.
turban. Red and the blue. Something new.